Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Flow. I am Luna. I'm very happy you are here today.
Hi, everyone. I am Ethan. Thank you for joining us. Today is a great day to practice English together.
Yes, and today's topic is very simple and very useful. We are talking about the grocery store.
The grocery store is a place you visit again and again, so it is the best place to practice English.
Many beginners feel shy speaking English outside.
They worry about mistakes,
They think people will laugh.
but most people are kind, and mistakes are normal.
When you go to a grocery store, people expect short sentences.
You do not need long grammar.
You only need clear words.
Today, we will speak slowly,
We will repeat important sentences.
and we will build your confidence step by step.
Imagine this. You are outside your house.
You decide to go to the grocery store.
You take your bag.
You walk inside the store.
The doors open.
You see many shelves,
Fruits on one side.
vegetables on another side.
You hear soft music.
You see other people shopping.
Your heart feels a little fast.
That feeling is normal.
You say to yourself, I can do this.
Yes, you can do this.
The first thing you see is baskets.
You take a basket.
Or maybe you take a cart.
A basket is small.
A cart is big.
You choose what you need.
Now you start walking.
You want to buy milk today.
You walk to the fruit section.
You see red apples.
You see green apples.
You stop and look.
You touch an apple.
You want to ask a question.
A store worker is near you.
This is your chance to speak English.
You take a breath.
You smile.
You say, excuse me.
Excuse me is a polite start.
Then you say, are these apples fresh?
Are these apples fresh?
The worker smiles and says, yes, they are fresh.
They came this morning.
You feel good.
You understand the answer.
You say, thank you.
That is it.
Simple English.
Real English.
Now let us talk about that word fresh.
Fresh means new and good to eat.
Fresh bread,
Fresh fruit.
fresh vegetables.
If food is not fresh, it is old.
Old food is not good.
Now imagine another situation.
You cannot find sugar.
You walk around.
You feel confused.
You see many aisles.
Aisle is a long path between shelves.
You do not know which aisle.
You see a worker again.
You say, excuse me.
Can you help me?
Where is the sugar?
The worker says, it is in aisle 4.
You say, thank you so much.
So much makes it more polite.
You walk to aisle 4.
You find sugar
You feel proud.
because you used English.
Even simple English is powerful.
Let us slow down and repeat useful sentences.
Excuse me.
Excuse me,
Where is the sugar?
where is the sugar?
Are these apples fresh?
Are these apples fresh?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Very good.
Now let us move deeper into the store.
You want to buy milk.
You look at different brands.
You see prices.
Some milk is cheap.
Some milk is expensive.
Cheap means low price.
Expensive means high price.
You check the date.
You choose one.
Now imagine someone is blocking the way.
You want to be polite.
You say, excuse me.
That phrase is very useful.
You can use it anywhere.
Now your basket is getting heavy.
Apples,
Milk,
bread.
eggs.
You feel ready to pay.
You go to the checkout.
You stand in line.
Standing in line is waiting your turn.
The cashier looks at you.
The cashier says hello.
You say, hello.
The cashier says, how are you?
You can say, I'm good, thank you.
Or you can say, fine, thank you.
Simple answers are perfect.
Then the cashier asks, did you find everything?
This question is very common.
You think for a second.
You found everything.
You say, yes, I did.
Or you say, yes, thank you.
Both are correct.
The cashier scans your items.
You hear sounds.
The cashier says, that will be $15.
You say, here you go.
Or, here you are.
You give the money.
The cashier gives you a receipt.
Receipt is the paper you get after paying.
The cashier says, have a nice day.
You say, thank you. You too.
You leave the store.
You smile.
You feel confident.
You spoke English in real life.
This is how learning happens.
Not in one day.
But step by step.
Word by word.
Sentence by sentence.
This is only the beginning.
In the next part, we will practice more conversations.
We will ask questions.
We will answer questions.
And we will repeat sentences for fluency.
Stay with us.
You are doing great.
Welcome back. Let us continue from where we stopped.
Yes, now you already entered the store and bought some items.
In this part, we will slow down more.
We will practice more real conversations.
And we will repeat important English again and again.
Repetition is very important for beginners.
Because repetition builds confidence.
And confidence helps you speak naturally.
Now imagine you are still inside the grocery store.
You want to buy vegetables.
You go to the vegetable section.
You see tomatoes.
You see onions.
You see potatoes.
You want 1 kilo of tomatoes.
You are not sure how to ask.
Keep it simple.
You can say, how much are these tomatoes?
How much are these tomatoes?
The worker may say, they are $2 per kilo.
Per kilo means for 1 kilo.
You nod your head.
You say, okay.
You pick the tomatoes.
Sometimes vegetables are packed.
Sometimes you choose them yourself.
If you need help, you can say, can you help me, please?
Please makes the sentence polite.
Now, let us talk about prices again.
Price is very important in a store.
You can ask, how much is this?
Or you can say, what is the price?
Both are correct.
If something is too expensive, you can just say nothing and move on.
You do not need to explain.
Silence is okay too.
Now imagine you want to buy bread.
You see many types of bread.
White bread,
Brown bread.
whole wheat bread.
You are confused.
You can ask, which one is fresh?
Or, which bread is fresh today?
The worker answers.
You listen.
Listening is part of speaking.
Good speakers are good listeners.
Now let us practice some vocabulary slowly.
Shelf.
Shelf,
A shelf holds items.
bag.
Bag.
A bag carries groceries.
Receipt.
Receipt,
The paper after payment.
change.
Change.
Money you get back.
Let us use these words in sentences.
The bread is on the shelf.
I need a bag.
Keep the receipt.
Here is your change.
Very good. Now, let us move to a longer conversation.
Imagine you are at the checkout again.
But this time, something is wrong.
The price is higher than you expected.
You see the screen.
You feel confused.
You can ask politely.
You say, excuse me, is this price correct?
Is this price correct?
The cashier checks.
The cashier says, oh, sorry, let me fix it.
Fix means correct.
You smile.
You say, thank you.
This is real-life English, simple and calm.
Now let us practice question and answer together.
I will ask.
I will answer.
Excuse me, where is the rice?
It is in aisle 6.
How much is this milk?
It is $4.
Are these bananas fresh?
Yes, they are fresh today.
Did you find everything?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Good.
Now it is your turn.
Listen and answer in your mind or out loud.
Where is the bread?
It is in aisle 2.
How much is this apple?
It is $1.
Are these eggs fresh?
Yes, they are fresh.
Excellent.
Now, let us do shadowing practice.
Listen to me carefully.
Repeat the sentence after hearing it.
Excuse me, where is the milk?
Excuse me, where is the milk?
How much is this?
How much is this?
I'm looking for sugar.
I'm looking for sugar.
Did you find everything?
Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
Yes, thank you.
You are doing very well.
Remember, your accent does not matter.
Your speed does not matter.
Your confidence matters.
Speak slowly
Speak clearly.
and smile.
A smile helps communication.
Now, let us talk about mistakes.
Many learners fear mistakes.
But mistakes are signs of learning.
Children make mistakes and they still learn fast.
You are the same.
Every mistake teaches you something.
If someone corrects you, that's good.
That means they want to help.
Do not feel shy,
Feel proud.
because you are trying.
Trying is everything.
Now imagine your next grocery store visit.
You feel more relaxed.
You already know what to say.
You already practiced.
You walk in with confidence.
You say hello.
You ask simple questions.
You answer calmly.
This is progress.
Slow progress is real progress.
In the next part, we will bring everything together.
We will review,
We will motivate you.
and we will end strong.
Stay with us.
You are doing amazing. Welcome back. This is the final part of our grocery store conversation.
You have already practiced a lot.
You listened.
You repeated,
You spoke in your mind.
and maybe out loud.
That is how fluency grows.
Not fast, but strong.
Now, let us review everything calmly.
Imagine you are going to the grocery store again.
This time, you feel ready.
You open the door.
You walk inside.
You take a basket.
You look around.
You see fruits.
You see vegetables.
You feel relaxed.
You walk to the fruit section.
You want apples.
You say, "Excuse me."
Are these apples fresh?
The worker answers.
You understand.
You smile.
You say thank you.
Small wins matter.
Very much.
Now you move to another aisle.
You are looking for rice.
You ask, "Where is the rice?"
The worker says, aisle 5.
You walk there.
You find it.
Confidence grows quietly.
You do not even notice.
Now you want milk.
You check prices.
You choose one.
You place it in your basket.
Everything feels normal.
Because English is becoming normal.
Now you go to the checkout.
You stand in line.
The cashier says, "Hello."
You say hello.
The cashier asks, "Did you find everything?"
You answer yes, thank you.
Or maybe almost everything.
Both are fine.
The cashier tells you the total.
You pay.
You say, "Here you go."
You receive the receipt.
The cashier says, "Have a nice day."
You say thank you, you too.
You leave the store
You feel proud.
because you used English in real life.
This is the goal.
Now let us do one final vocabulary review.
Basket,
Basket,
cart,
cart,
aisle,
aisle,
fresh,
fresh,
cheap,
cheap,
expensive,
expensive,
receipt.
receipt.
Very good.
Now let us do one last question and answer practice.
Answer with a simple sentence.
Where is the bread?
It is in aisle 2.
How much is this apple?
It is $1.
Are these eggs fresh?
Yes, they are fresh.
Did you find everything?
Yes, I did, thank you.
Excellent.
Now let us do a long shadowing flow.
Listen carefully.
Repeat naturally.
Excuse me, where is the milk?
Excuse me, where is the milk?
How much is this?
How much is this?
Are these bananas fresh?
Are these bananas fresh?
I am looking for sugar.
I am looking for sugar.
Did you find everything?
Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Very good.
You are improving,
Even if you feel slow,
even if you make mistakes.
mistakes are part of learning.
Do not fear them.
Welcome them.
They mean you are trying.
And trying means growth.
English is not about being perfect.
It is about being understood.
Speak simple English.
Speak clear English.
Speak with confidence.
Confidence comes from practice.
And you just practiced a lot.
Next time you go shopping, remember this.
One sentence is enough.
One question is enough.
One smile is enough.
Step by step, English will flow.
That is why our channel is called Easy English Flow.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Thank you for trusting yourself.
Keep practicing every day.
And never give up.
We are proud of you.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye.
Bye.